Friday night's homework. This is the second night of Module 4 review. It says Terrence finished a word search in 3/4 the time it took Frank. And when they say 3/4 the time, we can imagine they're saying 3/4 of the time it took Frank. And we know of is the same as multiplication, so 3/4 times Frank. Charlotte finished the word search, so this is Terrence. Charlotte finished the word search in 2/3 the time it took Terrence. Frank finished the word search in 32 minutes. So we know Frank is 32 minutes. How long did it take Charlotte? So first we need to know how long it took Terrence so we can figure out how long it took Charlotte. So since 3/4 of Frank is 3/4 times Frank, we're going to do 3/4 times 32. When multiplying a fraction times a whole number, we always take the whole number and multiply it times the numerator. So that's 3 times 32, and it's over 4. So there's two ways you can do this. You can go ahead and multiply first, then divide, or divide first, then multiply. In this case, I think it'd be easier to divide first, because I know 4 and 32, both 4 can be divided by 4, and 32 can be divided by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 32 divided by 4 is 8. Or, yes, 8 times 3, now we multiply, is 24 over 1, which is the same as just 24. So Terrence took 24 minutes. So now, to find Charlotte, I have to take 2/3 of 24. So 2/3 times 24. Once again, whole number times numerator. Get some space over here. 2 times 24 over 3. Once again, 3 is in common here, so 3 divided by 3 is 1. 24 divided by 3 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16 over 1, so it's just 16. So our sentence is, it took Charlotte, what did I say? 16 minutes. Okay, now let's go down here. Circle the expression or expressions that give the same product or answer as 6 times 3 over 8. So we can set this up in a couple other ways. We know that with multiplication, we have the commutative property. It can go in other orders. So we know 3/8 times 6 would work. We know that we multiplied the whole number times the numerator. So 6 times 3 over 8 would work, which is the same thing as 6 times 3 divided by 8. Let's see if we have any of those. So 8 divided by 3 times 6, that's not going to happen. 3 divided by 8 times 6, I don't think so. 6 times 3 divided by 8, yep, that one works. 8 divided by 6 times 3, no. 6 times 8 thirds, not quite because we're working with 3/8. But 3/8 times 6, that would work. So it's the third and the last one that work.